Okay, now we are going to study the unbalanced assignment problem. So let us see how to solve the unbalanced assignment problem. So one question is given here, to solve the following assignment problem of minimizing total for the doing all job. So here the job and operation, this is the questions. So first of all we have to check that this is the balance problem or not. So check for the balance problem or not. So number of row is equal to number of column. So here the number of row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and number of column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of rows is equal to 6 but number of column is 5. So both are not equal. Number of rows not is equal to number of column. So this is the unbalanced problem. See that, then go for the next step. This unbalanced problem we have to convert into the balanced problem. See how to convert. So step second, the convert the unbalanced problem into the balanced problem. See that here we have to take the column is only fifth, so we have to add the one extra column. So the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5 and column 6, we have to this add extra column, we have to increase the sixth one column. So here all the same value we have to copy. Here is the 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. So right here the 6, 2, 5, 2, 6, right. So and the sixth column we have to put the 0, all the value should be 0. So 0, 0, 0, this one also 0, 0, 0. So this is the complete balance problem. See that here, check for the balance problem or not. So here is the now column 1, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6. Here is the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5 and column 6. So column number of row is equal to 6, number of row is 6 and number of column is also 6. So this problem will be converted into the balance problem. So now go for the next step, row reduction. So here is the row reduction. Next row reduction, see that here. So here is the column 1. See this, in first column minimum value is 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4, right here is 4. Next 2 minus 2, here 2 minus 2 is 0, right here is 0. Next 7 minus 2 is 5, right here is 5. So next 6 minus 2 is 4, right here is 4. Next 9 minus 2 is 7, right here is 7. Next 4 minus 2 is 2, right here is 2. So first column is completed. Now see that the second column is least value is also 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0, right here 0. Next 5 minus 2 is 3, right here is 3. Next 8 minus 2 is 6, right here is 6. Next 2 minus 2 is 0, right here is 0. Next 3 minus 2 is 1, right here is 1. Next 7 minus 2 is 5, right here is 5. So second column is also completed. Now here see that third column least value is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2, right here is 2. Next 8 minus 3 is 5, right here 5. Next 6 minus 3 is 3, right here is 3. Next 8 minus 3 is 5, 8 minus 3, here is 8 minus, see that here 8 minus 3 is 5, right here is 5. Next 4 minus 3 is 1, right here is 1. So this one is also completed. And next fourth column, see the fourth column is also least value is 2. So least value is 2. So here 2 minus 2 is also 0, right here is 0. Next 7 minus 2 is 5, right here is 5. Next 9 minus 2 is 7, right here is 7. Next 4 minus 2 is 2, right here is 2. Next 9 minus 2 is 7, right here is 7. Next 6 minus 2 is 4, here is the 6 minus 2 is 4, right here is 4. Similarly we have to complete this one also. Least value, we take the least value is 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, right here is 1. And 7 minus 5 is 2, right here is 2. Here is also 8 minus 5 is 3, right here is 3. And 5 minus 5 is 0, right here is 0. And next 7 minus 5 is 2, right here is 2. And here is the 8 minus 5 is 3, so right here is 3. And here the sixth column is 0, so same value we have to write here 0. See, after complete row reduction, check the minimum value. So minimum value is 0, in this column also 0, and third column is also 0, and fifth column is also minimum value is 0, fifth column is also 0, and sixth column is 0. So all the minimum value 0 means same value we have to copy in column reduction. See that after complete this column 402, same value we have to write here 405, 472, like that you have to write here, same value we have to copy here. Then cut the maximum 0. After column reduction, cut the maximum 0. So here is the maximum 0, cut like this one is maximum 0. See that here in this column 1 and 2 0, so cut this one. Here is also 1 0, there is no any 0, so you cut like this one. So there is already this one is cutting. Here the 1 2 3 3 0 is there, so you cut like this one. So this is the completed. Now next, number of, check for the non-degeneracy. So number of cutting line 1 2 3 and 4. So number of cutting line is 4 is equal to number of row is 6. So both are not equal. So 1 2 3 4, number of cutting line is 4, but number of rows 1 2 3 4 5 6. So both are not equal. So then go for the next step, modify matrix. Modify matrix. So see that here in this matrix, first we have to check the uncut. See that the uncut number 5 6 3 7 3, here is 7 1 5 7 2 3 4 1 5 2. This is the uncut number. So in this uncut number, the least value is 1. So here is, and this column is also deleted. Same value we have to write, copy here. So first 4, here is also, see this, first complete the column. Here is 0. Next 5, this is the uncut number, or least number is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4, right here is 4, right here is 4. And next 4, same, already deleted this column, so this row. And here is the same 7 is uncut number, 7 minus 1 is 6, right here is 6. Here is also uncut number 2 minus 1 is 1, right here is 1, right. So now second column also, here is the 0 and here is also 3. Here is the uncut number 6 minus 1 is 5, right here is 5. Next second column, this is second column, 0, right here is 0. So here 1 minus 1 is also 0. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. Second column is completed. Now come for the third column. Here is also deleted number is 2, right here is the 2. Here is also deleted number 5, right here the 5, and 3. This is uncut number, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Here is also 0. Next to 5 minus 1 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0, right here is 0. So third column is completed. Now next fourth column is also this one, fourth column, this 0 is also deleted, so here is 0. 5 also deleted. 7 minus 1 is 6, right here 6. Here is also 2, right here is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now 4 minus 1 is 3, right here is 3. Next the fifth column, here is the fifth column, here is the 1, here is the 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. But here we are getting the intersection point or plus point. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Here also 0 plus 1 is 1. But here we are not getting the intersection point. So 0, right here 0. Here we are getting the intersection point or plus. So 0 plus 1 1. Here also we are getting 0. Here also 0. This is the modify matrix. So now once again we have to see that modify matrix. Here also we have to cut. This one is first row, we see that the first row 0 0 2 0 is there, so cut like this one. Here also 1 0, there is no any 0, so cut like this one. So here is also 0, in this column there is no 0, so you cut like this one also, there is maximum 0. So here 2 or 3 0, cut like this one. And here also 0, only 1 0 is there, so cut like this one. Here is also 1 0. So see that once again, go for the, after complete modify matrix, go for the next step, check for the non-degeneracy. So here the number of cutting line, check it that 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So number of cutting line is 6, is equal to number of rows is also 6. So here the number of cutting line is equal to 6, number of rows is row is equal to 6 here. Now then after go for the next step, operation. Here the operation 1, operation job and time. Operation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Job is there. See first here first you have to see that the first row, here we are getting here 0 and also here 0. So we have to assign this one 0, first this one 0. So 1 we have to assign fourth. Next then after we have to assign this 0. So in this column there this 0 should be cancelled, and this column also we are getting there is no 0, so leave it. So now next here we are assigned there is no 0, so we have to assign this one 0. So in this column we see that 0, there is no 0, and here there is no 0. So now next third row, there is only here is 0, assign this one, and there is only in this column there is this one 0 and this one 0, you have to cancel here. Now next fourth row, in this fourth row we have to assign this one 0, assign this one 0. So there is this one, this row, this 0 and this one 0 is cancelled, and in this column there is no 0. So now next here is we have to assign here this one 0. So in this row there is no 0 and column already is cancelled. So now next sixth column we have to assign here this one 0, there is no any 0, this one 0 already is cancelled. See that the first one here is first row, the assign the 0 is fourth, second assign the 0 is 1, third is assign the 0 is sixth, and fourth assign the 0 is fifth, and fifth row assign the 0 is second, and sixth one assign the 0 is third. So after that, this is the questions already I have to written here. The same questions is there. So first operation, this is the operation, this is the jobs. So this one, the operation 1, job fourth, operation 1 job fourth means 2. So time this one is 2. Here's operation 2 job 1, operation 2 job 1 is 2, here is 2 also, right. Next third one is assigned the sixth, third one assigned the sixth is 0, here is 0, right here is 0. Next fourth job fifth, this one 5. Next fifth second, job second third, and sixth one is third, this one third is 4. So we are getting 4. So after adding this one we are getting that 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 plus 16, we are getting that 16 hour per minute. So this is your answer. Okay, thank you very much.